This tutorial will walk you through how to set up upsell products in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, Modules, Modules Manager, from top menu. Locate the module name, Upsell, and click Edit button. Select Yes for the option, do you want to enable upsell modules? Set Only load upsell items from upsell catalog IDs, to Yes, to load upsell items from config, x upsell _catalog IDs. This is the global products, to be added to the upsell. For example, add catalog ID, 53. Click Update Record button. Order any product, under your cart, and catalog ID, 53, will be shown inside the shopping cart pop-up, as upsell product. Now configure, only load upsell items from upsell catalog IDs to know, from Modules Manager. Click Update Record. This will load upsell products, from each individual product field upsell. This also means you want certain products, to show different upsell items. For testing, we can add catalog ID 52, as upsell product for catalog ID 51, as shown here. Order product with catalog ID 51 and catalog ID 52 will be shown as upsell product. Please confirm, the config X product stay on page is set to Yes, which is required for the working of upsell. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.